Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So today is a really nice day. It's like a high of 64 and it doesn't feel real windy. It is maybe supposed to rain later, but it's also Nate's birthday weekend. He does run a lot, so I think this morning he's going on a 7 or 8 mile run. So I'm gonna run out to the farm and try to get the oil changed on my lawnmower. And then I'm gonna pick a few tulips. They look so pretty. Some of them really popped yesterday. Here are our tulips. They're starting to open up. So, bulb out of water, and this one should be 1 day behind. The bulb in water is this one. This one is no bulb, this one right here, no bulb, laying down dry. This one was unwrapped bulb. I wonder if that's why it's smaller. Maybe the humidity or something. I don't know. Or it's just the tulip. They're all looking pretty good to me. And then, no bulb in water was this one. And these two were a little bit shorter when I cut them. But even the blooms are a lot smaller. But that might just be the flower. But they're all looking relatively the same. I do notice the ones that were not wrapped in newspaper, they might be, like their petal doesn't maybe seem quite as like smooth. But it might be the tulip, I don't know. They're all looking good. I think all options right now are honestly good options. I don't think they're bad. So I got a really big haul of tulips today. I was really excited because I was pretty much out, and now both of my coolers are almost full of tulips again, which means I will have tulips for this entire week. Yay! And I thought I was gonna be out. So I got them all. I got the bulbs washed off because dealing with muddy bulbs in the house is really just a pain. So I washed them off outside. And then I was gonna get ready to do the lawnmowers. And I'll show you. I get to deal with that. That is black plastic from this row over here. And it has just got away. I don't really understand because this has been down for well over a year. So the fact that this piece started flying up this year is just bizarre to me. It never flew up last year like this. So I'm going to go fix that. And then over there, it looks like some of it got away over there too. So I don't know what's going on. I think it's that wind coming from a direction that I'm not used to. Because I overlapped it all for the most normal occurrences, but I still like put it down. But the ones with wood chunks on it, obviously, they didn't move at all. So the wood chunks hold it a lot better than anything else I used. And I do have some more wood chunks. I keep putting it off, but maybe I'm just going to have to cut them and put them on this piece. This piece is a nightmare this year. Okay, I'm going to go fix that. And we'll see if I get to the lawnmowers. this much wind last year. And all of it came from a different direction, so I think that's why it ripped it up. It usually comes the way it's coming today, but all of it was blowing that way, so hopefully it doesn't happen again. Listen to this wind. You probably can't even hear me. Look at all those limbs down too. Oh my gosh. It is seriously so windy out again. I'm over the wind. I want it to just be nice summer days. So I was gonna come here and I was gonna actually start the lawnmower so that the oil and let it run for a little bit so the oil will be a little hotter because it'll run out a lot faster. But I just realized I don't have the battery. The battery is back in town to store them. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and let the oil run out of my lawnmower. It's almost noon already, and look at me. I've gotten ready and curled my hair for like going and celebrating Nate's day. And I'm gonna have to do it again, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna get to that because I gotta get home. But I have to find the little valve. Contraption. Man, that just came out. So all I did is twist this, and then all of a sudden the oil was rushing out. I wasn't expecting that, but and I would say I did this backwards. Maybe I should have put the little red one on. It would have fit better, but it's too late now. It's coming out. So there it is. This is running out. A little bit's dripping down, but I'll just get it with a paper towel, and then it's going into there. Maybe I should have used the red thing, but this thing is so tall that when it's stuck in that hole, I don't know how I could get it into it. I probably could have used a smaller funnel. That funnel maybe is too big, but it's working. It's draining, so that's good. The oil will be drained out. I can just leave this here and let it drain, and then I'll come back and finish it. I was ready for Nate's birthday day. Now I'm all dirty. Yeah, maybe my hair is salvageable. The farm life. So I got 3 more orders today for flowers for this week coming up. Really excited about that. So we will see how it goes. Anyway, I think we're gonna go and celebrate Nate's birthday weekend, and I wish I could get my mower going and mow, and I need to pick up sticks before I mow. There's so many things to do on the farm, but they can all wait a day or 2. His birthday's tomorrow, so we're gonna go have some fun today. I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.